Okay, I'm just making this as kind of an FYI out there to everybody. This is some stuff that I actually got in the mail here recently, and I've been waiting on it for a long time. I bought one of these Hakko clone desoldering irons. It's a s993a. I've had it for quite some time now, probably I don't know, maybe a couple of years. It's kind of one of those it's your best friend thing. It's a great desoldering iron, works great. It does have a removable tip on it, as you can see. Pointer thing here. This tip is removable. Actually, in the barrel here, I don't have it apart, but there is ceramic paper filter in here. This is the actual heating element and everything on it. For a long time I couldn't find any parts or anything for these, so I got to looking around, and like I said, this is just kind of an FYI video. The tips and stuff are available for them, as you can see. For a long time you couldn't find anything for these, and like I said, this being a Hakko clone, these are the paper filters for them. They're from Hakko, part number A1033, and I ordered a couple packs of them. I usually do whenever I get them. Now, this is the first time I found the tips for them, and the 1mm tips, which is what I really like, are kind of hard to find. They sell out pretty quick. And in these two boxes here, they're both the same thing. Let's see if I can get it on open here. As you can see, everything here pretty much comes from China, and that's why I'm making this video. Just a second there, and you can see the extra long number on this thing. If I can get it in the package here. Come out fast. These are the heating element tips for it. This heating element tip ever goes out in this. I haven't had to replace one yet, but I'm having a feeling that it's going to happen someday. And these are a direct replacement for what's in there. Same tip, mounts the same way, wires the same way inside the gun. Uses the same tips, everything. But the reason why I'm making this video is I ordered this stuff on December the 24th of last year. This is February the 15th of 2017. I got the rest of this stuff. All of it's come this month, which is in February. This and this all come about a week ago. These two tips I did not get until the 13th of February in the mail, and I ordered them on December the 24th. So just kind of an FYI, you guys. That's why I usually order two of everything whenever I order it, especially if it's coming from China, because it takes forever. Anyway, thought you might want to know. Later.